really figuring out if someone is equally yoked. And another way that you can confirm it, ladies and gentlemen, is pray about it. Lord, is this the person for me? Because I promise you, if you do that prayer, Jesus Christ will answer expeditiously. Like, he always answers that prayer super fast, but then he takes his time with everything else. We love you, Jesus, but you know, I'm just saying, I'm just letting the people know. But these are questions that you should be asking. Super invasive questions to figure out, hey, is this something that I can handle? Are you ambitious? I love a man who's ambitious. I love a man who's business oriented, who can lead me, who can teach me. Not every woman is like that. Some women, I don't want a man to tell me nothing. That's okay. You know, it's okay to have different views and different desires, because we're all human. We all have our own separate desires and needs, but find somebody that is compatible to you. Otherwise, you will be getting married for the second time, for the third time, for the fourth time, confused.